Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max versus iPhone 15 Pro Max. Should you upgrade? Great question. Let's break down the key differences between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Pro Max to help you decide if an upgrade is worth it. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Display: 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology. Processor: A17 Bionic chip with a 6-core CPU and 5-core GPU. Camera: 48MP main camera, 48MP ultrawide camera, and 12MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Improved low-light performance and new camera control button. Battery life: up to 30 hours of talk time. Video: 4K video recording at 120 frames per second. Other features: enhanced Face ID, improved water and dust resistance, and new color options. iPhone 15 Pro Max. Display: 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology. Processor: A16 Bionic chip with a 6-core CPU and 5-core GPU. Camera: 48MP main camera, 12MP ultrawide camera, and 12MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Battery life: up to 28 hours of talk time. Video: 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. Other features: Face ID, water and dust resistance, and various color options. Key differences. Camera: the iPhone 16 Pro Max has an additional 48MP ultrawide camera and improved low-light performance. Processor: the iPhone 16 Pro Max features the newer A17 Bionic chip, offering better performance and efficiency. Battery life: slightly longer battery life on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Video: higher video recording capabilities on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 4K at 120 frames per second versus 4K at 60 frames per second. New features. The iPhone 16 Pro Max introduces the camera control button for quick access to camera settings. Advantage: iPhone 16 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has several advantages that make it a compelling choice. Display: it features a 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10, and Dolby Vision. The display is larger and almost bezel-less, providing an immersive viewing experience too. Performance: powered by the A18 Bionic chip, it offers flagship-grade performance with a hexa-core CPU and a 6-core GPU, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming too. Camera: the camera system includes a 48MP main sensor, a 48MP ultrawide camera, and a 12MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. It also has improved low-light performance and a new camera control button for quick access to settings too. Battery life: it boasts a longer battery life, with up to 30 hours of talk time too. Build quality: the iPhone 16 Pro Max has a durable design with a titanium frame, ceramic shield glass, and improved water and dust resistance too. Video capabilities: it can record 4K video at 120 frames per second, offering higher video recording capabilities compared to its predecessor too. Additional features: enhanced Face ID, new color options, and support for 5G connectivity too. These features make the iPhone 16 Pro Max a powerful and versatile device, suitable for a wide range of users. What do you think? Are these features enough to make you consider upgrading? Advantage: iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has several advantages that make it a great choice. Display: it features a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, offering smooth scrolling and excellent color accuracy. Performance: powered by the A16 Bionic chip, it delivers fast and efficient performance for multitasking, gaming, and more. Camera: the camera system includes a 48MP main sensor, a 12MP ultrawide camera, and a 12MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. It provides excellent photo and video quality. Battery life. It offers up to 28 hours of talk time, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day. Build quality. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a durable design with a stainless steel frame, ceramic shield glass, and water and dust resistance. Video capabilities. It can record 4K video at 60 frames per second, providing high-quality video recording. Additional features: Face ID, various color options, and support for 5G connectivity.